In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch your digital brand with Podia. We'll walk through setting up your first product, building a simple landing page, and turning on email marketing so you can start growing from day one. Start by heading to your Podia dashboard. From the main navigation, open products, then choose new product. Give your product a clear, benefit-focused name, something your audience will instantly understand, and click. Create product to get the framework in place. Next, select the product type that fits what you're offering. If you choose an online course, outline your curriculum with sections and lessons so learners can move through it step by step. Add short lessons, upload supporting files, and draft a concise lesson description to keep people oriented. If you're offering a digital download, upload your files, write a compelling description that highlights the transformation or use case, and double check your file formats so customers can access them easily. When you're happy with the basics, click Create Product to save your work. With your product created, it's time to build your online presence. Go to the Site section and click Edit Site to create a new page, your landing page. Add content sections that do the heavy lifting for you, a clear headline and description that explains who it's for and what's inside, an FAQ to reduce objections, and a strong call to action that links to your product checkout or sign up. Keep your visuals consistent with your brand colors and choose images that show the outcome your customer wants. Add an email form block to your page so visitors can subscribe. Offer a simple lead magnet like a checklist, template, or mini lesson to give immediate value and grow your list. Keep the form visible near the top of the page and make sure the confirmation message tells people exactly what to expect next. Now open the email area from the main navigation. Create a welcome sequence that automatically sends to new subscribers who grabbed your lead magnet. Use the sequence to deliver the free resource, introduce your brand, share a quick win, and invite people to learn more about your product. When you have news or a launch date, send a broadcast to your list. Finally, segment your audience so you can send tailored messages, for example, a nudge or a limited time discount to subscribers who haven't purchased yet. That's it. You've created a product, built a landing page, and activated email all within Podia. Publish confidently and start sharing your brand today.